So this here is your tutorial on how to split wood. You see, what you got here is a whole bunch of fine forest growth here, and you just got to make sure that you split it in two before you light it on fire, because if it's not really cut, it doesn't burn as well as you'd like it to, you know. So what you do is you just make sure that it's set up nice and light. And what you got here, this is a fine piece of wood, see? And what you got here is a fine axe. And what you do is when you combine the two, you end up getting split wood. And that's a lot of what you're seeing right here. Now let's give you a little quick rundown on how this works. What you do is you get yourself a nice base, you know, about, I don't know, 2 feet apart, 3 feet apart with your legs. And then what you're going to do is you're going to swing and you're going to chop this sumbitch right in half. See? Nice and easy, no problem. When it's dry wood like this, it's a piece of cake. And who doesn't like a piece of cake? You know, I prefer a piece of taco every now and again, but a piece of cake is just fine. Now we're going to split it one more time, just so that Mom has a little bit easier time putting it in the fire, getting it to light and stay. You see? Here we go. There you go, no problem. Let's see what we can do with one of these here. Now this is a little bit bigger of a log, but don't be intimidated. It's not scary. It's your friend. And what you're going to do is you're going to chop your friend in half. It's just what you got to do sometimes. It's nature, not nurture. There you go. You see how that splits right in two? That's no big deal. No big deal. Oh, not really facing the right direction. You got to turn it around. Make it look at you. Make it look you in the eyes before you cut it in half. Fuck you, log! There you go. See? No problem. No problem. Here's one more for you, okay? All right. Again, nice technique. Good, powerful swing. You got a 1 and a 2 and a 2.5. There you go. See? And that's your tutorial on how to cut wood today. Everybody got a beer?